To get Dustin Combo ready for mopping, first remove the dustbin. Open the colored tab on top and fill the reservoir with water. If you live in an area with hard water, use distilled water. Close the tab tightly. Place the left and right mopping cloths onto the mop attachments and secure them on the Velcro side. Insert the mop attachments into Dustin Combo's connectors. Magnets will hold them firmly in place. Then, reinsert the dustbin with the mop attachments connected. Dustin Combo has two main cleaning modes. For vacuum and mop, which is the default mode, press Go on Dustin Combo or in the app. Dustin will vacuum and mop at the same time, lifting the mops automatically when he reaches carpets and rugs. In this mode, the mopping indicator in the app appears blue. For vacuum only, press Go twice on Dustin Combo, or in the app, tap the mop icon next to the Go button to turn mopping off, then press Go. In this mode, the mopping indicator appears gray. You can also adjust vacuum power and mop intensity in the app. Just go to Settings, then Cleaning Preferences, and slide the vacuum and mop sliders to your preferred levels. When Dustin Combo finishes mopping, remove the dustbin. Open the Reservoir tab and empty out any remaining water. Remove the mop attachments. Take off the cloths, wash them thoroughly, and let them air dry completely. Remember, Dustin Combo's dustbin is not waterproof. Do not wash or immerse it in water. Dustin Combo comes with FloorSense technology to detect carpets. He automatically lifts his mop while vacuuming rugs. You can turn off FloorSense if you prefer, but keep in mind, with FloorSense off, Dustin will not detect floor types automatically. If FloorSense is off and there are areas you don't want mopped, you can create no mop zones in the app. Here's how to draw no mop zones. Open the app and tap Map. Tap the Edit icon to open the Map Edit toolbox. Select Add No Mop Zones. Tap the map where you'd like to place a zone. A striped blue rectangle will appear. Resize or move it as needed. Tap the zone to save or delete. You can create up to 10 zones on a single map. To delete, double-tap the zone and select Delete. To edit a zone, tap it, adjust it, then tap again and hit Save. And to exit, tap Back to return to the toolbox. And that's it. Now you're ready to mop smarter with Dustin Combo. If you need extra help with Dustin, our support team is always here for you.